Hello,
Hello.
visible my
Yeah.
screen, right? Now
Yes.
we are creating JDBC provider under resources and
Okay.
JDBC driver and JDBC provider. We can select a cluster. Okay,
Okay.
I will go one more time. Okay, select a cluster and click new and select
Mm.
database type Oracle and Oracle JDBC driver. Java database
Okay.
connectivity. XA means multiple databases we have connected. Okay. Connection
Okay.
from a single database we need to connect. Okay.
Okay.
The Oracle
Okay.
database. Next, this is a path. We need to go to this path. This is copy. We need to paste. I have some Windows server is there. IBM, WebSphere, app server, universal drivers, and a lib. We have paste here. Okay. This is universal drivers. Okay. We need
Okay.
to paste here path. Okay. And next, finish and save changes. Okay. After that, click particular JDBC provider, go to the data source and click new. Okay, very, very important concept. Here, data source name, system. System is my database name and JDBC slash data source name system. Okay. After that, we have JDBC URL is there. This is JDBC URL. Okay. Host and next and alias you can use JDBC. This will come security alias we created, right? Same thing we have mapped here. Okay. Next and finish and review. What files we need to change? See, resource.xml means only database related information will be stored under resource.xml. Okay. Understand? Any doubts? Ask me. I will clarify your doubts. Now go to security. I will show you Java authentication and J2C authentication. You can add here. Okay. This is alias. This alias is a mapped with the data source. Data source system. System. See, we have mapped here. Okay. Mapped here. Go to environment. Go to WebSphere variables. We need to map here cluster. We need to map here. See, Oracle JDBC driver path. Okay. After that, go to system administrations. Go to node agent. Select all. Restart all servers on the node. Okay. This is a mandatory step before going to test connection. This is mandatory step for all servers. Okay. By using this, you can stop all servers and restart all servers. Okay, we have take permission from the client, and we have do it this. Otherwise, some escalations will be happen in the real time scenarios. Okay. Okay. After that, being restarted, we can select. Okay, one by one is restarting.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay.
After that, go to JDBC providers and
Okay.
click go to Oracle JDBC drivers and
Okay.
go to data source and click
Okay.
and perform the test connections.
Okay.
If any issues, you can verify node agent logs. Okay.
Okay.
You can verify node agent logs. If any failures, you can verify node agent log. Okay.
Okay.
Node agent log nothing but system out and system error dot log.
Okay.
Okay, what is up? Please mute. Okay.
Okay.
See, here JDBC 6.jar is not there. We have pasted JDBC 8.jar. Okay. So that is the
Okay.
main reason. See, understand where is the error? So we will paste. This is the module. This is the file. You can paste it in
Okay.
the universal driver path. OPT IBM WebSphere app server universal drivers lib. You can paste
Okay.
here. Okay.
Okay.
That is the main reason you can fail the test connections. Okay. After that,
Okay.
we have restart. We have start the servers.
Okay.
We have stop servers also, no issues. Okay.
Okay.
There is no happen. Only we have focusing on node agent only. Okay. Only focusing on
Okay.
node agent. Server is start or stop doesn't matter. Oh, data source
Okay.
perform on the node agents. Okay. Node agent nothing but
Okay.
communication between day and DMGR deployment manager to application server. That is
Okay.
communication purpose. We are using node agent. Okay. Okay. See, I will stop all servers. I am stopping all servers. Okay. Please mute. Please mute. Okay. Okay. Now go to node agents, select all, and restart all node agents on the server. Okay. One by one is restarting. While using this, you can take permission from the manager. So restarting for the servers, then we will do the perform the restart operations. Okay. Okay. Go to all servers are started. Go to data source. Go to the cluster. Go to system. System is alias name. Data source name. This is Oracle data source. Perform test connections. See, test connection success. There is no issue from Oracle database. Go to connection pool properties. These are the properties. It means connection timeout is 180 milliseconds. These are timeout connections. One in the connection pool, maximum connections is 10, minimum is 1. Only one connection is allowed into the database. I will show you the diagram. I will show you the diagram. Okay. After that, JDBC. JDBC connection pool. We have one diagram is there. I will show you the diagram. See, this is the diagram. Okay. In this diagram, I will show you. This is JNDI. This is the database. This is the server. This is the connection pool. This is the server, database client. Connection between client to database by using JDBC connections. JNDI, JDBC connection pool. In the connection pool, there is these are the properties: minimum connections, maximum connections, reap time, unused timeout, and age timeout. Purge policy means entire policy, entire pool, and a failure connection. Entire pool means this is the pool. Entire pool, how many connections are available, how many connections are not reusable, how many connections are connection timeout. These are the main thing. Okay. So after this, we can apply save changes. Review which file we need to changes. We can verify this. Resource.xml is the main configuration file for data source. Okay. After that, this is the data source. Understand? Any issues? I will show you. CD logs node agent notepad system.out.log. Okay. Okay. We need to see ODC violation. Okay, XA data recovery. Okay, this is the connection. Okay,
Okay.
if any issues, you can see here. Okay, issues you can see here, any issues. Okay,
Okay.
E means error, W means warning. Okay,
Okay.
okay, this is the main. This is error. Say data source error, right? In previously, this is the data source error in earlier. Okay, this
Okay.
is